Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. It's cold out there this morning, but it's not just about the cold. It is about the wind out there, making for some bitterly cold wind chills out there. In fact, cold enough that we do have a wind chill advisory in place here through either 9 or 10 o'clock, depending on where you live, in those light blue shaded areas. And again, this means wind chills could be as cold as 10 to 20 below, and even out in the panhandle of Nebraska, they've been down around 25 to 30 below at times this morning. So very cold conditions out there with those breezy winds. And even if you're not under that wind chill advisory, you're still seeing wind chills that are down in the single digits below zero, and in some cases even around 10 to 15 below in some spots. So very cold air out there this morning. We warm up a little bit today, but not much. It's going to be a pretty chilly day, well below average for this time of the year, even despite lots of sunshine. Now, as high pressure works into central Nebraska later in the day, the winds will start to calm back later in the afternoon. But that high pressure remaining in control of our weather tonight means we will drop off quite a bit again tonight. Now, the good news is the winds won't be as strong overnight tonight, so the wind chills won't be as bad. Clouds will start to thicken up towards tomorrow morning, so as that happens, temps may even rise a few degrees towards sunrise tomorrow. We'll start off with mostly cloudy skies for your day on Friday. We may see some sunshine later in the day, despite a southeast wind trying to warm us up, though. With more clouds around on your Friday, temperatures only get a little bit warmer than what we have in store for today. So another very chilly day for your Friday, with a little bit more of an improvement on Saturday. Highs later on today, mid-teens to lower 20s across the north. We'll have breezy northwest winds, a few clouds, otherwise mainly sunny skies. Plenty of sun out towards the west, not as much wind, lower 20s for highs. Lots of sun in the south. We're looking at temperatures in the low and mid-20s for highs, a little on the breezy side, and breezy to the east, low to mid-20s. Again, all these areas should see those winds die back later in the afternoon. This 7-day forecast, not much improvement over the next several days. A couple of degrees warmer tomorrow, up into the 30s on Saturday, even despite mostly cloudy skies, a little surge of some slightly warmer air. That said, those temperatures are still a little bit below our average highs, which are in the upper 30s. A little bit of snow in northern Nebraska, not out of the question. A shot of colder air on Sunday, and also a little better chance of some snow. In fact, probably the best chance for many of us, not even out of the question. We see a couple of inches of snow in some cases, an inch or two not out of the question, but at this point, really no major snowstorms, no storm systems that are of significance on the way over the next week ahead of us here. Now, we may get another brief warm-up on Monday. Right now, I'm going with lower 30s. Some forecast models are indicating that we could see much warmer conditions in the far southern parts of the viewing area, but already some of that cold air may try to sneak into northern Nebraska, and we'll really feel that colder air by Tuesday. Look at those highs. Teens, mid-teens for highs on Tuesday. Could even be colder than what we're going through right now. And along with that, some periodic light snow not out of the question Monday night through Tuesday night. And temperatures try to just slowly rebound by Wednesday back into the lower 20s. So this isn't a great forecast by any means. We have certainly seen our weather patterns switch to much colder air below average conditions all 7 of the next 7 days. And along with that, again, those periodic snow chances, that said, not major snowstorms on the way, but again, enough to bring in, a little bit of a coating of snow here and there, and maybe even an inch or two in some cases. But again, nothing major, and along with that, you're not looking at significant winds with these snows as well, although some days will be a little on the breezy side out there. So there's your forecast for today. Hope you have a way of staying warm throughout the day today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and enjoy your Thursday.